Carrie gets a report card on Friday.
A super big one too.
Yeah!
Sit down, sit down.
No, keep her there.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I'm afraid he's gonna puke.
I'm gonna try and top that one.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
It was too big for one person. Like some of it came out of my
Gonna blow chunks.
some of it came out of my nose.
Get a fork, guys. He's gonna blow chunks.
Oh yeah, I love it. Come on, come on, come on.
Stop! Oh, that's a good thing you're not holding the camera.
Yeah, do it, do it, do it.
Can't be good.
I made myself do that. I made myself do that one.
You threw up!
See, I can induce vomiting.
She's going to the bathroom. I'm gonna calm her down.
I can make myself throw up. Usually when I try to make myself, it doesn't do that. It just kind of sounds like I'm gonna do it, but it actually did it that time.
And guess what?
Mom just said I'm afraid you'll poop. And you did.
Well,